everybody, welcome to a new LOL surprise tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are gonna have another LOL surprise tutorial. We are going to transform this doll that I have here into the one and only Ariana Grande. It means today we are gonna make one Ariana Grande transformation, or we are gonna transform Ariana Grande into a beautiful LOL surprise doll. You can't miss this tutorial and I can't wait to get started. This transformation is actually pretty easy. We only need one color and that color is black, because everything she wears in the video or the outfit that I chose is black. The dress is black, the shoes are black. We are also going to use brown air dry clay for the hair. We need a lot of brushes. Let's go! Let's take a little bit of brown acrylic paint and we are gonna start painting the eyes. We paint one and we paint the second one. We let it dry, we apply a second layer and we are gonna be ready with the eyes. Now that the eyes are ready and dry, we are gonna add 2 dots of white acrylic paint to each eye. And we are also going to add 2 small dots of white acrylic paint to the eyes as well. I think she looks really cute this way. We are gonna paint the eyebrows with brown acrylic paint as well. For the clothes, I'm using a dress that I already had from a really old LOL doll, and I chose these really small shoes because she wears really high boots. So I decided to take really small shoes. We are gonna paint them black and then we are gonna paint the legs black as well. Now the only thing left is to paint everything black. We are gonna paint the dress black. We let it dry, we apply a second coat of black acrylic paint. We are gonna paint the shoes all black as well. This is what we have so far. So far so good. She's looking super cute. Now we are gonna make the cap that she wears during the video is all black. And after we complete that, we are gonna add the hair. We take a really big piece of air dry clay and we add the clay all around the head like this. We want this part to be straight and we want this part to be straight as well. We take a second piece of clay. We are going to add the piece of clay to the front. The only thing left is to add the 2 ears. To make the hair, we need a long piece of clay. We need a brush and we are gonna try to make a curl like this. We are gonna need a lot of pieces like this one, maybe 6 or 7 pieces. When you have all your pieces together like this, we are gonna add each piece inside the cap. She's looking so cute. And we made the cap before. You just need to, this is just glue, don't worry about it. Well, I made the cap first and then I added the hair later, but you can do the hair first and then add the cap to the hair. That's good as well. We just need to wait for the hair to dry, and when everything is dry, we are gonna continue with all the details that we need with the clothes and everything else. We have the dress that she's gonna wear. We have the shoes ready as well. We have a couple of things left to do. We need to paint half of the legs black. Those are going to be the thigh-high shoes. And we also need to paint the gloves as well. We need to add power to the gloves as well with white acrylic paint. We are almost ready to go. We are going to paint the legs, half the legs, black, like this. We paint the other side as well. Try to make it as even as possible. Our shoes are so ready to go. We only need to paint the gloves, and the gloves are going to be black as well. We are gonna paint both hands black. Now that the paint is completely dry, we are gonna write with white acrylic paint, power, in the middle of the gloves. If you take your time with each letter, it turns out really nice. And we are done. For the accessory, we need one toothpick. We take a small piece of air dry clay. We are gonna cut the toothpick to make it smaller. And we are gonna place the toothpick in the middle of the clay. We let it dry. And we paint everything black. And guys, this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. I love everything Ariana Grande wears. She has the best style. I love her. If you're not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are gonna have a lot of tutorials coming up. Click on the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Don't forget that you are awesome, and I love all your comments and ideas. Let me know in the comments if you want to see other type of tutorials, other type of characters. If you like toys, don't forget to follow my toys channel. The link will be in the description box and also in the pinned comment. We are going to have toys, unboxing, stories. It's going to be super fun. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel as well if you love toys. I love you a lot, and Mint out. Bye bye.